To change the Apple ID country to the United States and update your App Store region, simply follow these steps. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your account settings. Here, tap on your account at the top. Then tap on the country/region option available there. After you tap on the country/region, it will take few seconds to load. So wait for it. And once it is loaded, simply tap on the change country or region. Now, from all the list available, scroll down and look for the United States and simply select United States. After you select it, you will be navigated to terms and condition. Tap on the agree button available there. Then you'll be again navigated to the billing states. Now once you tap on the agree, all you have to do is in the payment section, if you have any cards available or if you want to attach a card, then tap on it. But if you don't want to, then tap on the none and provide the remaining informations. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.